The name of this piece is called Let Us Rise. Roaming free through the field of dreams, not realizing all is not what it seems. For I did not see until too late, never knew of my awaiting fate. Bound in chains, feet and hands, never to see again my beloved homeland. Thrown in the ship to sail across the sea to begin a new life in this thing called slavery. On an auction block, sold like cattle, only served as a catalyst for my mental battle to not forget from whence I came, even though they have decided to change my name. Change my name. Whipped like an animal that only made me stronger. Lay awake at night wondering how much longer. Children stolen from parents, raped and tossed away. We're not considered human. We have no say. As to what happens to us, that's decided by others. How I long to hear the sweet voice of my dear mother, my dear mother. But in this land, I must become a man. Whatever the obstacle, I must stand, bound in chains, but free in my mind, knowing freedom for my people will come in time. But now it's time to assimilate all I can, to learn how to do things like the white man. For they don't know, but they have given us the vehicle to move ahead, to use their knowledge to our advantage. They soon will have much to dread, for we shall attain greatness through invention, sports, artistical talents, and financial gain. We shall rise to the occasion. We shall never be the same, for the fight is not physical, but in one's mind. Remember who you are, and you will never be left behind. Hear this message that I send to you, for now more than ever it shall ring true. Let us rise and take a stand. Help others to understand. Be proud of who you are, for you are capable of reaching the highest star. Let us lift up one another. Let us continue to help our sisters and our brothers. Purge the mentality of slavery from our mind and know that now is our time. Now is our time. Lay down the drugs, lay down the guns, for there is something more important that needs to be done. Let's take our rightful place as a proud and noble race, not discouraged by those who criticize, but challenged to excel and rise. Kings and queens once we were should motivate us to be that which we were destined to be. And yet, in our rising, let us not forget others who may not look like us, those that are of a different color. For the key to success is not in hating our fellow man, but is lifting each other up with a colorless hand.